Hey everyone, welcome back to Truck Nation channel. Today we have some exciting news about the 2024 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. Less than 2 weeks away from its global premiere, 2 images have surfaced online that give us a sneak peek of what we can expect from this highly anticipated vehicle. Just under 2 weeks before the 2024 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck is officially revealed to the world on May 19th, 2 images have appeared online that appear to show the new vehicle. One photo was reportedly found on Toyota's website and was first posted in the Tacoma TRD forums. The other image allegedly shows a part of the Tacoma's front fascia in real life. The design of the Tacoma is aggressive and stands out. It is speculated that the variant pictured may be the TRD Pro version given the muscular panels that would be too much for the entry-level model. The headlights with small LED DRLs, the thin LED light bar running horizontally beneath the Toyota badge, and the sharp edges of the front bumper are notable features. A pronounced front skid plate is also visible. The 2024 Tacoma variant pictured incorporates a black hood scoop, black wing mirrors, pillars, and roof, and flared wheel arches at both the front and rear. The completed look is very similar to renderings produced by the Tacoma TRD forum earlier this month. Toyota has already confirmed several new features of the Tacoma, such as the TRD Pro's Fox QS3 adjustable shocks and standard rear disc brakes. The outgoing model's rear leaf spring setup will also be replaced by coil springs. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro will be powered by the company's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which is likely to be the same engine as the Tundra TRD Pro. The engine consists of a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with an electric motor that produces a combined 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft, 790 Nm of torque, although it may be detuned for the Tacoma. So there you have it, folks, a sneak peek of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. We can't wait to see the full reveal in just a few short days. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive news. See you next time.